Hi kids! Wow, so many things! Do you like it, kids? Let's open it.
Wow!
Do you know that they all are erasers? Let's play. This is a tree. You can also separate its parts. Brown color, green color. This is also green color. A pineapple. Yellow color, green color. This is sweet corn. Light yellow color, green color. This is a banana. Light green color, light yellow color. Wow, a teddy bear. A yellow color teddy bear.
No.
Let's join them again. Now keep them aside. A teddy, a banana, a big tree, sweet corn, a pineapple. Oh wow, color pens. Let's learn the colors. Pink color, yellow color, blue color, red color, purple color, orange color, light green color, sky blue color, and the last one is green color. Let's learn alphabets. Red, A for apple. Apple is a fruit. A. Purple. B for bison. Bison is an animal. B. Light green. C for cabbage. Cabbage is a vegetable. C. Blue. D for dog. Dog is an animal. D. Orange. E for eagle. Eagle is a bird. E. Our next color is yellow. F for fox. Fox is an animal. F. Pink. G for guava. Guava is a fruit. G. Green. H for hornbill. Hornbill is a bird. H. Sky blue. I for ice cream. Do you like to eat ice cream, kids? Now say with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Bye-bye, kids.